Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we are going to be making a couple of cards using the Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper, Unbounded Love stamp set, the Flowers of Beauty bundle. So the stamps and the dies, okay? We're going to be using the Kendra cards challenge again. But before we get started on our project, we're going to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. Let's start with the paper pumpkin for May, the best there is. This kit makes 9 cards, comes with the Misty Moonlight stamping spot, and coordinates with the Country Woods Designer Series paper that will be available May 1st. If you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can go ahead and purchase the Thanks and Beyond dies add-on. These dies coordinate with April, May, and June's Paper Pumpkin kits. It's $12 for the 4 dies. The item number is 164397. And if you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, go ahead and click the link below to become one. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the flat rate medium-sized USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm only asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included in that price. I can only sell and mail in the United States. If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com, all right? Lastly, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more. Don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. All right, so that is all of our buzzworthy business. We have a lot of things to get done here. So, again, I'm going to be using the Kendra's card challenge number 14. And we are going to be doing sketches 1 and 2. All right. So, let me get number 1 out. I put them all in these little baggies so I can have everything, all the pieces separated. So, I see here we're going to be doing some die cutting. Yes. And these are my instructions of everything I have going on. All right, so we're going to start by doing the inside. And this looks like this is for the inside. So, let's go ahead and get that put on so we can get our inside done. This is a piece of basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and this designer series paper is a 1/2 inch, and we're going to cut it down to 4 3/4. If I can get my scissors to cooperate. Okay, let's go ahead and put this on the inside of our card base. Our card base is pretty in pink, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're just going to put this on the inside. Okay, so we have that done. Let's go ahead and burnish this scored line down with our bone folder. All right. So now what do we have? This is number 1, right? So this is what I'm going to do. This is our sentiment piece. So we're going to stamp our sentiment and die cut it. So what we're going to be stamping is Happy Birthday from our stamp set. So let me get that out. I should have did this ahead of time. Forgot to get my stamps out. We're going to stamp in Pretty Peacock. Happy Birthday. I'm going to do it on this side. Let's see if that is perfect. So let's close this up. And I am going to line this die up on here like this. And we're going to tape this down. Oh, I need to put it on the paper, not just the die. There we go. Get another piece. Put it over here. Okay, so let's bring in the mini Stampin' and Cutting and Emboss machine, our baby boss. And we're going to die cut this out. Okay, so here's our die cut. And from this, we just need this portion. And I did go ahead and put adhesive sheet. I forgot to tell you on the back of this basic white. And we can use this one later, but I don't want to pull it out. It's not coming out. Sometimes the die cut through the paper, but it did not cut through the adhesive sheet. So on this little piece, and I don't want to take it off of the adhesive sheet until we need to use it. So that's just an extra bonus for this card, because we're not going to use this piece, because I've already die cut that in the 24 to 26 in color glimmer specialty paper, and we're just going to insert this right inside just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our rest of our card put together here. So I have some pieces from, oh my goodness, that is okay, this is extra. I have some pieces from the card sketch that we have to follow, and I went ahead and put some tear and tape on the back because I find that tear and tape works really well when adhering to glimmer paper. And I want to put this on, whoop, like this. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing to this one. And as you've seen, I put a little bit of liquid glue on here just to help it adhere even better. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to put this on here like so. Okay. And then we're going to, did I put that on wrong? I think I did. I usually want the board at the bottom, but I forgot it was going to be a landscape. So we want to put this, how did this go? This is going to go in the corner like this. Just like this in the corner, okay? And then we're just going to cut off any hangover. So let's go ahead and put some glue on here. You know what I want to do? I'm looking, I need to get my silicone sheet, my silicone craft sheet, just in case. We're going to put this right here in the corner at the top. Oh, don't come down. Okay. Then I'm going to do the same thing to this one. Except for this one is going to go in this corner. Let me see, yeah, I got the glue over there. I'm just trying to make sure I get this lined up with the card stock, the base of the card. Oh, come on. Ay, ay, ay. I didn't line it up properly and it's sticking. Okay, so now we're just going to take our scissors and cut off any extra hangover. Just like this. Whoop, stay open so I can see what I'm doing. And this one little bit right here. This is making a big mess. All right, so we have that. So next we're going to take our, this is, I forgot to tell you, this glimmer paper, that is the, that's not the in color. That's a pretty peacock. That is from the 3-color glimmer specialty paper. And it has pretty peacock in there. So, but this is the in color one. This is the Petunia Pop. And we're going to sit this right here like that. And then we're going to take our birthday greeting. going to set this right in here. Oh, goodness. Just like that. Okay, next we are going to get some bling. The bling that goes in this suite of products is the in color resin dots, the 24 to 26 in color resin dots. So we are going to use some of the Petunia Pop. I didn't get glue right there. It doesn't look like. Let's put one big one there. How about one little one there? Maybe one right here. Okay, that's our first card done. The second one is almost similar. So that's the first one. That's cute. Oh, I love all the shimmer. Okay, the next one, card number 2. I have a big mess going on the side. As you can see, I have more die cutting to do. Let me get my paper out of here. Let's see here. So on this one, here's the inside. So let's put this on. Go ahead and glue our inside together. This is something I could have did ahead of time to save some time, but I didn't, so here we go. Okay, we're gonna cut that, then glue this to the inside of our card base, which again is pretty in pink, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I do believe this one is gonna be landscape as well. Okay, and this one, I've already gone ahead and put the glimmer paper, the 3-color glimmer paper on there. However, it's not stuck totally down because I can remove it. I'm just going to add some glue. And if you download the PDF from Kendra's Cards Challenge, all of the measurements will be on there so that you can, you'll know what you need to cut for each designer series paper and which pieces go to each card. Okay, so let's just add a little bit of adhesive. This one I won't take all the way off. I just want to add some adhesive on there. Okay. Whoop. So this one, need to burnish this score line down, make it lay flat. Okay, so this one, we're going to put one about right here. So let's put some glue on the back. We're going to put one of these right there, right at the top. Try to get it lined up. Then the other one, I think we're going to put this one right up here to the corner. Get it even with our card base. And I'm just going to trim off these little pieces that are hanging off. Just the tiniest bit. Okay. And then we're going to stamp the word faith. And I didn't get that out. Faith. Can I not? Okay. I'm going to stamp faith. And I think we're going to stamp that on this white. Where's the, looking for the ink is right here. Faith. Just like that. And we're going to die cut that out. But before we do that, let's go ahead and stamp our next sentiment, which is being sure of what we cannot see. Goodness gracious, why didn't I have this stuff out? Okay, so I had to get some more items because I forgot we're going to be heat embossing this sentiment. So I have my embossing buddy, my Versamark ink, and we're gonna, oh my gosh, I just put this ink pad upside down on my desk. Okay, we're gonna stamp this in Versamark. Then we're gonna cover that in some white embossing powder. We have our heat tool. Let's turn it on and we're gonna heat this up. All right, so there's our sentiment heat embossed. Let's go ahead and close this up. Let's go ahead and get the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine back out, the mini. And we're gonna die cut our sentiments. So we have the word faith. We're gonna die cut that with this circle. Then we have the other sentiment to go in this little frame here. And these are both from the Unbounded Love dies. Okay, so we have this all cut out. So let's get our dies, put those away so we don't misplace them. Now let's get back to putting our card together. So we are going to just add these on here like this. And I think I'm gonna pop those up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And add this one right there. And this one, we're gonna put 2 dimensionals on this end. And then we're gonna glue some liquid glue on this end, just like that. And we're gonna, oh, I didn't quite get it to the end there. Just gonna pop that on about right there, like that. Then we're gonna get our bling, and let's use the purple again. I want a small one up there. Let's put that one there. I know I want one up here. Let's do like that. Okay, that is card sketch 1 and 2. So let's look at number 2 again up close. Isn't that pretty? All this glimmer is so pretty. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.